had some problems with my Dometic refrigerator in my RV. It's a two-door ice maker. It has a option of gas or 120 AC. If you notice, I don't know if you can see it from the camera, the gas is on. Usually this is a problem with a fuse, and it's usually located right behind the refrigerator, which you can access from the exterior of the motorhome. We're going to go outside. I've had this problem before, probably moisture or water got in there or something. I've removed the panel already. It's there on the floor, and all we have to do is remove this box, and behind this box you'll see the 5-amp fuse there, and it is located right here. Usually by replacing this fuse it should do it. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and put in a new one. Just checking to see if it's warm here, and we should be able to put it on automatic and see if it works. Switch it to auto. There we go. It is now on AC. We'll see. We'll wait a while to see if it blows again. Because if it does, it's usually time to call a service person, because I wouldn't know how to fix it. But usually it's this fuse, and it's working fine. It's a 5-amp fuse, and what you can get in any auto parts store, and it works beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna wait another 10 to 20 minutes at least, make sure that it doesn't go out again, and that's it. This refrigerator is about 11 years old. Never had any problems with it. There was a recall on it. They came to the house, fixed whatever they had to fix, but it's been kicking for almost 11 years now. It's a really nice refrigerator. It's pretty good size. Don't know the model of it or anything, but it's a pretty standard refrigerator. It's called New Dimensions, the model probably. It has an automatic ice maker. I never use it. But I don't even know if it works anymore, to be honest. But I just keep it off all the time. It's got plenty of room in this freezer. It's got some compartments here too. By the door, you got some shelving there. You can put some stuff in there, and whatever that is for, I don't know. But we pack it up pretty well during our trips, and it serves us very nicely. It's got a nice roomy compartment everywhere. The door, the regular refrigerator door, has at least 4 shelves there to put cans and bottles. We usually use the bottom for larger bottles, and it's a beautiful thing. It's the only way to RV. You guys take care. Looks like it's still working, so we're good.